man, DP said it the best. When it come down to these cars,
It'll cost you. It may cost you a little, it may cost you a lot, but it will cost you.
so I'm gonna get an early start today. Y'all see what's going on, man. So I'm about to get ready to ride up to the audio store. I overslept a little bit. It's 8:53. They open at 9. I was supposed to be there right now waiting on them. But, you know, it is what it is. So, yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. See how it go. Alright, so I touched down at the audio store. Thought I was doing myself a favor by, you know, being the first one to show up. But of course, they told me that they already had some cars on the schedule and to bring it back around lunchtime. I was like, nah, I can't do that. So what I'm gonna do is just leave my car there and Uber back to the house, grab the truck, and just come back and babysit my shit, you know, for the most part. But before I did, you know, before I get a chance to do all that, I had to come to the auto parts store. Since I did a battery swap, the one that was under my hood is being moved to the trunk or whatever. I bought a red cap last night. And yeah, I'm gonna run my audio off of that one. So yeah, y'all stay tuned though.